Beautiful. Dalawa sila. Shota ako, yes?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
Yumi, okay.
Okay.
Yes. What up? Good day mga ropa, mga gar. May guest ako, came from China. Ayun, no. Ayan, palapit na sila. Ayan. Ayan sila. Ni hao.
Hi.
My Piaoyang guest came from what country?
China.
Ni hao ma.
你好.
Yeah.
Okay, we choose you.
Yes. Justin Bieber is your guide for today's video, okay?
Yeah. Oh, so beautiful. So
Yeah.
nice.
Yes. Let's go. So this service called Philippine Lamborghini
Oh.
Natural Aircon. Comfortable?
Oh?
You're comfortable?
I don't know. Comfortable, yeah.
Yeah,
Oh,
comfortable. Yeah. Just sit and relax. Justin Bieber photographer, okay? Ni hao ma. What you eat? It's called ihaw ihaw.
What?
Ihaw means grilled. Grilled.
Oh,
Yeah, grilled. So that's Filipino.
Which one is most tasty?
Most tasty. I recommend you barbecue. Barbecue ka? Yeah, that one. That you choose the good barbecue. Ano pa ba? You know this? Chicken intestine.
Yeah.
Wala na kayo dyan, malaki na kayo. So yun, nagpalit ako ng service kasi may dalang bag yung guest ko. Ang laking bag, ayun o. Nalagay ko yan dito sa loob. Inside, that's Ferrari compartment. Yeah. Laki kasi ng bag niya. Okay. Para wala kang dala-dala. Okay, I'll close this. Close this like.
Ini.
Yeah, you eating.
Comfortable.
What that?
Tasty.
Yeah, tasty.
Tasty.
Good chicken intestine.
Mm.
So we're now going to Sipanyang Tapao.
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 Yeah, Tapao. Manila Amapua Taswe
Oh,
University. Yeah. That one is
a good university.
good
Best
university for engineering.
Engineering.
Yeah, engineer and architect.
Oh.
Mapua Taswe. Yes.
Very good.
So here 14 Tapao.
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 Oh, yeah.
Kanan.
War.
Your friend?
Yeah. Okay. Okay, ready. E-R, son. Like this. E-R, son. Wait. Wait. Okay. E-R, son. Side view. Yeah, E-R, son. Yeah, thank you very much.
you.
Wow. Great.
好搞笑啊
Good.
I need one more.
One more.
Ah.
Okay. So you can go up here.
Oh, sit here or stand here.
Up.
Johnson.
Oh. I stand on.
Yes. Okay. In the middle. Okay. E-R. Son. Yeah, like you looking in your foot. Yeah, like that. Okay. E-R, son. Last one, you look there. E-R, son. Wow, Pliao Liang. Yeah. Look. Good. Oh, beautiful. Okay, the one who built the wall, build this wall, Filipino and Chinese slaves without single salary before. They build that.
Wow.
Two. You know that? Yeah.
Dangerous.
Yeah. Ish.
Oh.
Oh, good view. You can go there. You can go up. Hawak-hawak kamay. Yeah, next. Yeah.
You this.
You take video. Video nga raw siya. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, go.
I
Wait a minute.
Yeah. Wait, teka lang.
小心点。
有点害怕。
Wala na to.
Careful.
Careful. Ma'am, your cellphone is ano, naglolo ko. Phone storage. Red flower.
Red flower.
And what's your name?
My name is Nina.
Nina?
Yeah.
My name Nino.
Yeah? Really?
Nina.
name?
No, joking. Mom, what's your name?
Hi.
What's your name?
山青
Sanching and Ninya.
My name is Selena.
Selena. So, good photography
Yeah.
and good Lamborghini, right?
Yeah.
Good. Very
Let's go. Hey. Inside, Muros wall. Inside the wall. This is the oldest city in Manila. Beautiful. Hey, look. Hey. And you here. Hey. China and Philippines. Yeah. This is, some Filipino call this place province of China.
Oh,
No, I'm joking. The other side is the oldest Chinatown.
Chinatown.
Binondo.
Ah.
That's Binondo. The other side of Intramuros. So I need to take photo of you together. In here, the good background. Take a look. You look like you've been in Singapore. Here. Yeah, come on. Coba. 小心啊，小心。
哦，这里拍清楚那个。
Yes, my guess, retouch. Oh, 101% beautiful.
Hi.
Yeah, simplicity. And ma'am, you're morena. Morena means
Morena.
brown.
Morena.
Morena.
Means
That means a beautiful brown girl.
Oh,
morena.
brown girl.
Yeah,
Yeah,
morena.
I'm Morena.
Morena.
Yeah.
Can you shout out me, Justin Bieber?
Justin
Hello,
Bieber.
Bieber.
Yes, and you said all good in the hood.
All good in the food.
Yeah, you said all good in
All
the hood.
good. All good in the hood.
Thank you very much. Kamyas Gaming na naman tayo. Ang pagbabalik. Dalawa yan. Hello! Papatikimin natin sila ng kamyas. Eto, kuha lang tayo dito. Tatlo na. This one called kamyas.
Called Camilla.
Yes, kamyas.
Camilla.
I need to sanitize first. Tanggalin natin yung tangkay. Nasa natin. Walang kakain ito. You sit there and try to eat.
Thank you.
Yes.
不能吃。
Yeah. Yeah, eat. Bite. Yes.
Salt.
Sour? Oh, Mia, it's my time. Cheers. Cheers.
So sour.
Yeah. Too sour for me.
Tama na? Good, delicious.
Yeah.
Korean Idol.
Yeah.
When I first met you, mahal na kita. You know, mahal na kita?
I don't know.
I love you.
Oh, yeah. Thank you.
Yay! Pampauto. Oy, dalawa yan. Magaganda yung guess ko. Flowers for you.
Thank you. So beautiful.
You can put it in your ear. Yes, more beautiful. Oh! Are you famous sa K-pop?
Yeah.
K-pop.
Oh my godness.
K-pop.
Oh my god. I hope you enjoy our tour.
Yeah.
You enjoy it?
Enjoy it.
Good?
Enjoyable.
Good photography?
Yeah.
Good photography.
Sese. So yun, pagtapos nga ng tour namin, nag-book na sila ng grab car. Hindi ko iiwan yung guest natin hanggat hindi nakakasakay. At dahil mabigat ang bag nila, stay put lang muna sila dyan.
Yeah. Okay. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
You meet you.
Goodbye.
Bye.
Oh,
录完吗？这里录完。
ma'am, have a safe travel.